Hello, here's a quick video where I'm going to show you how to make sure that you have the share preferences set correctly for when posting a project so that everyone in the class can view it. So for example, on some projects, I might ask you to share your project on a board like this, like on Padlet. And when you share that link, I want to be sure that when you open it, it actually opens up and people can see your work. So like if I open this, I get to see it. I get to see the project. This one was a Canva project, but I also have some that are Google Docs where when I click on it, it opens up and we want it to be able to open to everyone. We don't want it to be like one of these down here, this one, where you open it and you get this where you have to request access. We want it to be set so that everyone in the class can view it easily. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I have just a random assignment pulled up, and let's say this is what I want to share on that Padlet board. When I share that link, I want to be sure to go up to the share button. And then where it says get the link, see how it says restricted? I want to change that. And I'm going to change it instead of Kenai Peninsula Borough District, I'm actually going to change it to anyone with the link. And they can only view it, they can't edit your work unless you change that down to editor. So no worries about them editing it. If you just give them that access, then it's good. And then you can check to be sure anyone on the internet with the link can view it, so it's good. If I copy that link, then I can paste it over onto my Padlet board over here. So then I would go down, click that pink plus button, and add it to this board. So that then the teacher can grade it. So for example, I can grade it for this class, and so that your peers can get it to do their work as well. Hope that helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.